This is going to be a video product review of the Akiyo native 1080p Wi-Fi projector, 300-inch max. It will project things from your phone, from your laptop, from your cell phone, from your computer. Comes with a, even a USB stick. Comes with quick manual, regular manual. It's got a remote. We got the power cord and the USB cable. You got some switches on the top, which are pretty standard, that anybody that uses a computer understands. Power, return, left, right, up, down, source. So I don't want to spend a lot of time doing a massive review of this because nobody wants to watch a 2-hour video review. Let's just plug this thing in. We've got sources you've got over there. We got USB, HDMI, AV, headphones. Let's plug this thing in. I'm going to put a source on here. We're going to display the picture on the wall and see what does it look like. If you like it, I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description so that you can purchase this thing, test it out at home, see if you like it. If you do, that's a good thing. This is not meant for a commercial setting. You don't want to use this in a corporate business. This is something you want to use at home for the kids, just to display your pictures or your videos or your photos on the wall as a projector. Like the old things 40 years ago, you had a projector, you put it on the wall, everybody sat around and enjoyed. Let's plug this thing in, we'll get the source connected, then we'll test it out and see what it does. Power button on, lens cap off, got this little dial on the front for focus. Wow, check that out. English, French, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, Deutsch, German. Okay, so that's the focus ring. Oh, I love this. This is the keystone ring, so you get an adjustment. I'm just on an angle on the wall right now. I'm testing this out to see what this is going to do. I am impressed right now. I'm going to press the OK button on the display, and we've got English. So what do we have now? What are the options? Look at this. This is a beautiful picture. I know, sorry about the lamp in the way. HDMI, screen monitoring, AV settings, movies, music, pictures, text. This is really neat. So you've got the buttons over here for left, right. I haven't even looked at the manual, and I'm already using this. Let's go look at the settings, see what we have in the settings, because if you buy that, this is what you're going to need. You're going to want to know what you're doing. Let's go back over to the focus, because I'm on an angle here. We've got, and I'm really close up, picture mode, light brightness, color temperature, aspect ratio 16:9 or probably 4:3. Rotate, reduce display. This is just absolutely incredible. Auto volume, surround sound, sound mode, shutdown timer. Okay, I'm really too close. I'm going further away. It's got an auto sleep, OSD language, the English restore, probably back to the original settings. Software update. Haven't done that. You got to connect your USB probably to the computer and it will figure it out. Power on. Absolutely incredible. Let me try to figure, we got the return button over here. That was the little arrow. So easy to use. Look at this. Sorry this is not a professional video. I know it's on the wall, but that's just how it is. We're going to go over to, I just plugged in a USB. So I want to see, what do we have here? USB, let's go to pictures. Check this out. Absolutely incredible. It's able to read. It's able to read my files off of the USB stick. Look at this. These are the files that I've got on there. Let's go over here really quick. Office. Let's go check Quicken. Back up so you can put in your USB stick and display this on the wall instead of using a computer. Okay, I've got the USB stick in there, and we've got a slideshow of two people. I'm going to black out their face, and my dog. This is absolutely incredible. I love this thing. I was going to give this away as a gift. I'm going to keep it because I can do a slideshow of all my photographs or my videos, and I can just put them in a USB stick or connect it to the HDMI, whatever I need to do, and I can import all of my stuff and display it on the screen. This is an awesome product. The price is absolutely unbelievable. It's got your audio, your HDMI, your USB, You got front, rear mounting, ceiling mounting, tripod mounting. It's 88 watts. It's got a high lumen. It's got a nice large screen that will display 40 inches to 300 inches. It's unbelievable. Make sure you click on the video link, order this thing. You'll be happy you did. It is made by Akiyo. Check for the link in the video description.